Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out divorce papers. First, you'll need to understand your state's specific residency requirements, which often require living there for at least 6 months. Next, gather all your financial documents, like bank statements and tax returns, to prepare for disclosure. Finally, decide if you're pursuing a fault or no-fault divorce, as this impacts the initial paperwork. This foundational work is crucial for a smooth start. Now, let's tackle the core forms. You'll complete the petition for dissolution of marriage, clearly stating your requests regarding property and support. Be meticulous when listing all marital assets and debts on your financial disclosure forms. Accuracy here is paramount. If you have minor children, you must provide detailed information, including your proposed custody arrangements and child support calculations. These documents form the backbone of your case. Once your forms are complete, it's time to file them. Take your documents to the court clerk in the correct jurisdiction, usually your county's courthouse. Be prepared to pay the filing fees, which typically range from $100 to $400, though fee waivers might be available. Crucially, you must properly serve your spouse with copies of the filed documents, following strict legal guidelines to ensure they receive official notice. After filing and serving, the process continues. You may need to attend court hearings or mediation sessions to resolve any disagreements. If you and your spouse reach an agreement on all terms, you'll prepare a marital settlement agreement, which outlines everything from property division to child custody. The final step is obtaining a final judgment from the court, which legally dissolves your marriage and makes all agreements binding. Congratulations, you've navigated the process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.